Yo, what up YouTube? It's S-Blaze, aka Scott, coming to you live from my living room. It's gonna be my last video in a while. Me and C-Blaze are here. C-Blaze just busted a finance box off camera. And we'll show the four main cards. It's a very nice box. A Torrey Smith Atomic Refractor. Then the hit in that box was a Kendall Hunter auto jersey number 75. That's a pretty nice hit. And then this other mini box got a Locker Atomic Refractor. It's not numbered. And then a really ridiculous patch of Edmund Gates. Piece of the Dolphin logo. And it's 1 of 25. So then I'm going to be busting a box in a minute. But C-Buzz has a Mailday from the Truth 17. We've been drawing a lot of MT breaks lately.
Got the Wizards.
C-Buzz got the Wizards. It was disappointing. At least he got a hit. And I really like this shirt. I was in San Francisco. Brian Wilson. I'm going to be busting a box of this. I'll just open the seal now so we don't waste time and see what can show us now. That I like the look of this stuff.
It says C-Blaze.
C-Blaze first official group break. Usually we split them and under my name. Too many boxes. Burnett's looking good in the third. Got one hit. J-Wall, triple jersey. So we'll do the first mini box. I've seen boxes with 2 auto jerseys. Hopefully I get at least one patch auto. Most of them have patch autos. This one looks like it has a patch auto. The second pack. Save that one for last. So we'll bust these. Hopefully get an extra auto. Be a nice low numbered parallel card. I haven't done a break on. Got an X-Fractor. Is that Braylon numbered 399. Oh, look at the base. These are really nice cards. Stafford, Percy, Matthews. I only got a Ponder rookie. It's not terrible. Burnett looking good. It's only the third inning now. Mailday. I'll just call it the base. Vincent Brown, AJ Green, Mallet, and Percy Harvin Refractor. Von Miller, T.O., Austin Collie, Gabbert. Ooh, gold refractor. Number to 50. It's nice. Jordan Todman. Gold refractor number to 50. It's nice. Is it? There's plastic somewhere. Colbert, Stewart, Roethlisberger, Andre, and then this is nice, but he's hurt. Everyone's going crazy about this team. Lions, Nick Fairley. It's plastic does. B. Mars, Schaub, Macklin, nice. Newton, rookie. And then we got a Forte refractor. Yeah, and this is definitely the patch. Hopefully it's nice. A lot of the top players, it's been hard to pull them. So, this way. It's terrible. Cherrelle Jerrigan, he's actually a Giant, numbered 99. It sucks that it's one color, but Giants, you can't really get that many colors. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that one. I might keep it. He's running back. Is he a receiver? I think he's a receiver. We might get some playing time.
Receiver, returns picks.
It's numbered low. A lot of the patch autos numbered at 599. Maybe we'll get another patch auto. No, I don't think so. It's a jersey auto. Oh, we got a Gore refractor number to 25. I don't know what this is. It's not bad. It's low numbered. Vernon, Cutler, Garcon. This one should have the jersey out on this box. Or redemption. Oh, an autographed patch. Oh, we got 2 patches. This is actually not that bad. Kyle Rudolph, patch auto. And then we got a Sanchez finest moment, so it's not bad. It's actually really thin. Usually, like, they're fatter for like patches. So this is not bad. It's got 2 patch autos, Bilal Powell and Dez. 3 packs left. Maybe they'll throw in an extra hit. Probably not. LT, X-Fractor of a Giant, Terrell. I know, number 399. It's hard to see on the bottom. Ooh, I see Cam Newton on the back. Matt Ryan. So this is nice. The Atomic Refractor of Cam Newton. And we have 1 pack left. No extra auto. LaShore rookie and a D'Angelo Williams refractor. So if you want any of these cards, let me know. Probably gonna keep them or sell them on eBay. And thank you for watching. Alright.